DeepSeek is a Chinese AI lab that is sending shockwaves through Silicon Valley. So, DeepSeek has actually created AI models that rival or surpass top US based or created systems while spending a fraction of the time and money on these models and releasing them in an open fashion so others can use and build on them. So one of the company's models, DeepSeek V3, was built using only about, they claim, 2,000 specialized NVIDIA chips, which is compared to 16,000 or more chips that major US companies are using. Even more striking is the cost. DeepSeek claims it spent just $6 million on computing power to train the model. And the model they say is comparable to something like GPT 4.0. So it challenges the closed models, cost only $6 million to train, which is literally 1/10 of what someone like Meta invested in their latest AI technology. And the system can match the leading chatbots out there, apparently, in answering questions, solving logic problems, writing code. I mentioned it's open, so developers can freely access and build on it. And as a result, DeepSeek recently overtook ChatGPT to become the top rated free application in the App Store in the US. Now, this also happened because or despite of US government restrictions on sending advanced AI chips to China. So rather than hindering progress, these constraints may have forced Chinese engineers to develop more efficient approaches. DeepSeek also released R1, which is an open source competitor to OpenAI's advanced reasoning models, specifically O1 and then eventually O3, which is coming out. Now, R1 actually costs like 90% less to use than O1. So it's raising a bunch of uncomfortable questions, which is why you're hearing about it a lot. So if what they say is true, that really calls into question how much money is required to actually build AI, how many advanced chips are required to build advanced AI systems? Have all these big labs just lit money on fire and way over engineered this when there's an easier way? And then also the emergence is having people worried about China's AI capabilities. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt previously estimated China was 2 to 3 years behind the US in AI development, but now acknowledges they have caught up.